Hey everyone, and welcome back to Travel with JT. Today I'm super excited to unbox that new DJI. This drone will help us capture some incredible footage for our up and coming travels as we head off to Singapore next month, then Italy, and finally to the Greek islands. First impressions? Wow, it's way lighter than my old Mavic Air. Honestly, this Mini 4 Pro feels so much easier to carry around. And check out the new controller. No more messing around with the iPhone adapter, this is way cooler and so much easier to use. It even comes with both the SBC and the old school plug. That's a nice touch. I also love how the new battery charger is simpler. No more stuffing around. If you're keen, let me know in the comments if you'd like a quick video comparing the DJI Mini 4 Pro and my old Mavic Air. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and all that stuff. It really does help. Okay, that's it for this unboxing. I will see you all next time. Keep traveling.